Hi, for this week I've for my fruit basket, this is the basic layout of it. Up here I've got a background image. This is applied with CSS. Over here, this fruit name here, this is my label name. This is my input box where I've added some CSS styling to it to make it a little more fun. So first user would come here and they would, as you can see, it's got the required information in the tag in the HTML. Here I would put in apple, which is going to be a red apple, and I would hit submit, and it's added to my database. Here is a list of my current items in my database. From here, if I wanted to delete this, I would just simply hit delete, and it would bring me back to my fruits PHP page, where I could add apple green and re-add it. So for the code for that, this is my CSS styling here. This is the body, the styling for the body tag. This is where I've used my background image. This section here is this area here, where you can see I've used a gradient. But this is basically it for my CSS. This is all my different header tags and different labels and different backgrounds. My table is stylized. My links are stylized. My input, as you've seen, was stylized. So onto the code. This is my PHP file for my main fruits PHP file. Up here, this is my PDO, where you can see I've set up access to my database, which is above anything else above my HTML. Down here is where you get into the HTML. This is where my table's set up and my different sections. And down here is my second PHP script. This is where my results are returned, where it fetches to grab those items up here that I selected from the database. From there, this script is ran, and then it's brought on to my delete PHP page, where you can see this is what this tag is actually doing down here. This is my link for it right here, and it's also styled, CSS styled. One second, I will pull up my delete fruit page, and this is the syntax for my delete fruit page. So that script would actually talk to this script, and this script is the one that actually gets called and actually does the deleting. And again, this is my page. If we wanted to add a grape, if I can spell it, and we can add a purple grape. We can add a watermelon, and so forth. And it's just going to keep adding.